Hi kids! Today, we're going to draw a brave cowboy chicken. Get ready to follow along. Let's start by coloring the chicken's feathers white and its beak and feet orange. Don't forget to add some brown for the cowboy hat. Now finish off by coloring the cowboy outfit green and the guns a shiny silver. Look at your cool chicken cowboy ready for adventure. Hello, today we're going to draw a speedy little bee. Ready to zoom. Start by coloring the bee's body yellow with black stripes. Make sure to color its wings a soft blue and the shoes a nice brown. Finish by coloring the bee's headband brown and add a little brown for the beard. Great job! Now your bee is ready to race.